Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. You're here with a very quick Amazon Prime unboxing. This came in today. So we've already opened part of this order because I ordered two things from this company and they sent them like separately and I don't know why. But here's part two of my Posca pen order. So as you can see, there are three teeny tiny little Posca pens. They're super small. They're not like the regular size. So I thought I was getting a really good deal. But these are the small ones. But anyway, I paid $8.72 for the set of three. And I have a white, a gold, and a silver. So let's open that up and see. And this is just the unboxing, and a lot of you will be familiar with Posca pens, but these are paint pens. You have to shake them to get them going. And then I will have like a metallic silver, a metallic gold, and a white. And the other order that I had three white ones. And there was the small one like this, a medium one, and a larger one. And by larger, I don't just mean the tip size. Usually they're talking about the tip, but they actually have different size pens. Like I have three different white ones, and this would be the smallest, and the medium, and then like the large would be about this big. So I don't know why they do it like that, but yeah. So Posca, and these are a lot of fun. They're acrylic paint pens. Acrylic paint pens. They're super fun to use, and a little bit of sparkle at the end. So I haven't tried the gold and silver yet. I've only tried the white so far, and I like them a lot. Alright guys, so that was under $9 Canadian, but right now, as I'm looking at it, they're at $13.20. So the price has gone up a little bit, and just check. Amazon, their prices are always different. Okay guys, so that was at Amazon.ca, this Canadian prices, and I can't wait to try these. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of those good things to help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye, guys.